In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a TradingView screener, a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your trading strategy. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, having customized screeners can be a game changer. Let's dive in and explore how you can create and save your very own screener on TradingView. First, head over to tradingview.com and sign into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the chart section. This is where you'll start leveraging TradingView's features. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice a panel. Locate the screeners icon within this panel. It's your gateway to accessing the list of available screeners. Open the Screeners panel and click on the Screener option to bring up a variety of preset screeners offered by TradingView. At this stage, choose Screeners from the available options. You'll see a drop-down menu here, which is where the magic begins. Click on the drop-down menu and select Create New Screen. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new screener. Make sure it's descriptive of the criteria you're going to set, as this will help you easily identify it later. Now, click the Create button to initiate the formation of your new screener. Next, visit your watch list, your trading compass. You'll find several categories like index and price. Click on these to filter your screener criteria. As you go through the options, click on additional elements like change, market cap, and PE to further refine your screener. These options allow you to tailor the screener to fit your trading style and preferences. Don't forget to include filters such as EPS growth, dividend yield percentage, and sector. These are crucial for honing in on specific stocks or funds that align with your strategy. Continue building your screener by adding other criteria such as analyst rating, performance, revenue growth, and PEG ratio. These metrics are useful for assessing potential investments, offering insights into financial health and growth potential. Pay attention to financial ratios like ROE and beta, which provide information about a company's profitability and its volatility compared to the market. Dig into earnings by selecting recent earnings dates and upcoming earnings dates. These dates help track past performance and upcoming opportunities. Finally, click on the plus button to add any new filters you might need. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to save your work. Simply click on Save to secure your customized screener, ensuring you can return to these settings whenever needed. There you have it, your personalized TradingView screener set up in no time. These steps put powerful market analysis tools at your fingertips, empowering you to make informed trading decisions with ease. Happy trading!